Hello friends, this is Sai Prakash. I hope you are all enjoying the video and following the classes regularly. In the previous video, we have discussed about concept of series connection of the resistor. And in the today's video, I would like to discuss about important points of series connection of the resistor.
So, before watching this video, please go through the previous video for the better understanding. Please follow the classes regularly and please watch this video until the end of the session, friends. Let's start the class.
Friends, two or more resistors connected end to end represents. For the example, I am taking three resistors. This is resistor 1 and R1 with terminal 1 and terminal 2. This is R2 resistance terminal 1 and terminal 2. This is R3 resistance with terminal 1 and terminal 2. For the series connection, we will connect resistor 1 second terminal to resistance 2 first terminal. This is first terminal of resistance 1 and this is 2. This is R2 resistance terminal 1 and terminal 2. This is R3 resistance terminal 1 and terminal 2. We will apply the voltage over here. As this is a closed path, the current will flow through it. This is the series connection of the resistance. Friends, important points regarding series connection of the resistors. When n resistors are connected in series, then equivalent resistance, that is R equivalent to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus so on plus Rn, that is equivalent to R equivalent to sum of individual resistances. If n resistors are connected in series, and every resistor is having same value, that is equal to R, then R equivalent equal to number of resistors connected in series multiplied by R. Coming to the current, current is same in every element when they are connected in series. I am taking example for this. This is R1 resistor, this is R2 resistor, and this is R3 resistor. This is the applied voltage, V volts. This is V1 voltage, this is V2 voltage, and this is V3 voltage. And this is the current I. This is current I1 which is flowing through the resistor 1, current I2 which is flowing to resistor 2, and this is I3 which is flowing to resistor R3 and R1. We know that current will always flow in a closed path. So as there is only one path in the series circuit, current will be same, that is I equal to I1 equal to I2 equal to I3. And coming to the voltage applied is equivalent to sum of individual voltage drop across the elements. That is V equivalent to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus so on if n resistors are connected. I have taken 3 resistors in the series. So for 3 resistors, formula is this, and this is for n resistors. For coming to the n resistors, current is equivalent to I equal to I1 equal to I2 equal to I3 equal to so on equivalent to IN for n resistors. Where voltage drop across each element is equal to current flowing through any element into, that is multiplied by resistance of that element. That is, if I want to find the voltage drop across R1 resistor from this example, then V1 equal to current flowing through any element, that is I, into resistance of that element, that is R1. So for finding V1, total current multiplied by R1.
This is Sai Prakash signing off. Please stay tuned to our channel. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon for more updates. I hope you are enjoying the videos and following the classes regularly, and videos done by me are unique and understandable to you. Thanks for watching the video, friends. Give me the feedback in the form of comment, or you can use the group link in the description.